Hey there, English learners. Have you ever said more better or the most fastest? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're racing through the world of comparatives and superlatives. By the end of this video, you'll be better than ever, and maybe even the best. What are comparatives and superlatives? Comparatives. Use them to compare two things. We usually add "er" to the end of short adjectives, or use more for longer ones. Examples. My car is faster than yours. This book is more interesting than that one. Not more faster. That's like putting a turbo on a turbo. Superlatives. Use them to talk about the most extreme in a group. We usually add "s" to short adjectives or use most for longer ones. Examples. She is the fastest runner in the team. This is the most beautiful place I've ever seen. Not the most fastest. That's like saying super duper fastest. Quick trick. Short words, one syllable. Add "er" or "est", fast, faster, fastest. Long words, two or more syllables. Use more or most, interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Irregular comparatives and superlatives. English loves to be tricky sometimes. We have some rule breakers called irregular adjectives. Adjective, good, bad, far. Comparative, better, worse, farther. Superlative, best, worst, farthest. You are a better cook than me. He is the best player on the team. Don't double up. More better, just say better. The most easiest, just say the easiest. Use the right one. If it's two things, it's comparative, taller, more beautiful. If it's more than two, it's superlative, tallest, most beautiful. Think of comparatives as a race between two, and superlatives as a trophy for one. This road is narrower than that one. She is the best student in the class. That mountain is the tallest in the region. And that's how you master comparatives and superlatives. Remember, faster, better, best, no turbo boosts needed. If you liked this lesson, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. What's the best place you've ever been to? I can't wait to hear your answers. See you in the next lesson, English champions.